Hey everybody, my name is Kelly Thomason and I am the owner of socialforcreatives.com. Hello, and I am going to do a Facebook tutorial for setting up your business page and optimizing it for the best possible results. Now this is a two-parter. The first part is just setting up your Facebook page and make sure you get all those little details put in there. And the second part will be out tomorrow and we will talk more about the pro tips to really make your profile shine. All right, we're going to jump into my computer right now and see you on the other side. For this tutorial, I will be setting up a dummy page for a Facebook business page. This is meant to be a basic tutorial for anyone just starting out or anyone who wants some extra tips to make their profile really shine. First, log into your Facebook profile. If you don't have a Facebook yet, make a Facebook profile and then follow the steps below. Click on the arrow at the top bar on the right side. Create page. It will ask you to select business or public figure. Most of you will select business. However, if you are someone like a lawyer or politician who is often in the public eye, you might want to choose public figure. Next, it will prompt you for a name and category. Choose the name of your business. But if for some reason your name is taken, as everyone is on the internet these days, you can try variations, such as if your restaurant was named Vinny's, then you could do Vinny's Restaurant or Vinny's Italian Restaurant. Since I am setting up a writer's page, I am choosing Joe Bob's Writes and choosing writer for a category. Next, it will ask you to upload a profile picture. It's best to have a picture of yourself or a picture of the owners of the business. If you are an individual, I recommend having a plain picture with a white background. The recommended image dimensions will be in the post. Next, it will ask for a cover photo. I always recommend, if it's a local business, to have a nice picture of the front of the building as the cover, or if you're an individual, to use a picture of something you do, or make a banner, or have someone make a banner for you. When you first get to your page, it should prompt you to invite your friends to like your page. This is super important because the more likes you can get, the better standing your page will be in Facebook's eyes. Plus, your friends and family will always be the first supporters, and it's great to have someone on your side from the beginning. It will also prompt you to post your first post. However, there's some additional profile setup steps you should take before posting anything yet, so skip this step for now. Make sure you fill in all your about sections, phone number, and location if you're a local business. If you're a restaurant, it's super important to fill in your menu, and if you're service-based, you should add your services. And one more thing, to make sure you add a button at the top. You have some choices, such as Book Now or Contact options. I'm going to choose Message Me. I wanted to take a moment to draw attention to a few parts of this setup. You have your page, which we're currently on right now. You have your inbox, and this is where you find all of your messages for this page. A notifications tab, and this is where you get updates on your page activity specifically. For example, when someone likes or shares a post on your page. And Facebook will also tell you ways to improve this page. It also has your Messenger tab and your Instagram messages if you have an Instagram account connected to your Facebook page. And then you have your Insight tab. This will show you all the recent activity on the page in a data form of charts and graphs. And there's a lot to delve into in this section, so I'm not going to cover this right now. And then 4, you have your publishing tool. It's handy tools to help you manage your post, and you can also schedule posts in advance. There should be a prompt asking you to add a description for your page. This is a pretty important step as well. For example, if I were a writer, I would write something like, "Hi there, my name is Joe Bob, and I live in Nowhere, USA. I really enjoy writing thriller and murder mystery novels. I am currently writing my second book, and I live with my wife and 2 cats. Follow my page for more updates and freebies based around my books." But there is one more crucial thing you should consider before getting much further. and that is creating a unique handle for your page. It should be as close to your page name as possible, while also explaining what your page is about and who you are. For example, writer, photographer, backup singer for Elton John. You get the idea. Okay guys, that was super basic, I know, but it was just an exercise of getting your feet wet and kind of thinking about some things on your Facebook page. And hopefully I gave you some ideas that you can improve. And if you can't find some information that maybe you were hoping I would cover, you can always feel free to contact me, email in the description, or you can message me on my Facebook page. And also, if you're a quick learner and you'd rather learn all this information at your own pace, you can also sign up to our newsletter, and I will send you a complete ebook that goes over everything I will be covering over the next few weeks. Happy reading!